Tennis elbow, or lateral epicondylitis, is a common condition caused by the overuse of the forearm muscles, leading to pain and inflammation around the elbow. While it's often associated with tennis players, it can affect anyone who performs repetitive arm and wrist activities. If you're seeking relief from tennis elbow pain without resorting to medication or surgery, here are some of the best natural treatments to consider. 1. Rest and activity modification. The cornerstone of treating tennis elbow naturally is to give your arm adequate rest. Avoid activities that exacerbate the pain, especially those that involve repetitive wrist and arm movements. While complete immobilization isn't necessary, reducing strain on the affected area can significantly aid recovery. 2. Ice therapy. Applying ice to the elbow can help reduce inflammation and numb the pain. Wrap an ice pack in a cloth and apply it to the affected area for 15 to 20 minutes several times a day. Ensure that you give your skin breaks between icing sessions to prevent frostbite. 3. Stretching and strengthening exercises. Gentle stretching and strengthening exercises can help improve flexibility and build muscle strength in the forearm. Start with light stretching exercises, such as wrist flexor and extensor stretches, and gradually incorporate strengthening exercises like wrist curls and reverse wrist curls. Consulting a physical therapist for a personalized exercise regimen is often beneficial. 4. Massage therapy. Massage therapy can enhance blood flow to the affected area, promoting healing and reducing muscle tension. Techniques such as deep tissue massage and cross-friction massage can be particularly effective. If self-massaging, be gentle and focus on the muscles around the elbow rather than directly on the painful spot. 5. Acupuncture. Acupuncture has been found to be effective in reducing pain and improving function in individuals with tennis elbow. This ancient Chinese practice involves inserting thin needles into specific points on the body to stimulate healing and pain relief. Make sure to seek treatment from a certified acupuncture practitioner. 6. Compression braces or straps. Wearing a compression brace or strap around the forearm can help reduce strain on the elbow by distributing pressure more evenly. These devices can also provide support during activities that might otherwise aggravate the condition. Ensure the brace is comfortable and not too tight to avoid cutting off circulation. 7. Herbal remedies. Certain herbal remedies may have anti-inflammatory properties that can help alleviate tennis elbow pain. Topical applications of arnica or comfrey, for example, have been used traditionally to reduce pain and swelling. Drinking herbal teas with anti-inflammatory ingredients like turmeric or ginger can also provide some relief. 8. Heat therapy. While ice is useful in the initial stages of injury, heat therapy can be beneficial as the condition becomes more chronic. Applying a warm compress or using a heating pad on the elbow can help relax muscles, improve blood flow, and reduce stiffness. Alternating between heat and ice therapy can also be effective. 9. Dietary adjustments. A diet rich in anti-inflammatory foods can support overall healing and reduce inflammation in the body. Incorporate foods such as fatty fish, rich in omega-3 fatty acids, leafy greens, nuts, seeds, and fruits like berries into your diet. Staying well hydrated is also crucial for maintaining healthy muscle function. Tennis elbow can be a painful and frustrating condition, but with the right natural treatments, it's possible to manage the pain and promote healing. Incorporating a combination of rest, exercises, therapies, and lifestyle adjustments can help you regain function and return to your regular activities without discomfort. Always consult with a healthcare professional before starting a new treatment to ensure it's appropriate for your specific condition.